Okay, ads in a slick business magazine are read by 300 lawyers and 1000 MBAs. Okay, ads in a consumer publication are read by 250 lawyers and 300 MBAs. Okay, so business magazine 300 lawyers and 1000 MBAs. So business magazine is 300 lawyers plus 1000 MBAs. Consumer publication 250 lawyers and 300 MBAs. Consumer publication is 250 lawyers plus 300 MBAs. If Harry had 3600 to spend on advertising, the price of ads in business magazine were 600 and this is 300. So the price is 600 here, the price is 300 here. Okay, then the combination of recent MBAs and lawyers with hot tubs whom he could reach with his advertising budget would be represented by integer values along a line segment that runs between 2 points. Okay, all right. So he has how much? He has 3600. Okay, the prices of the two ads are 600 here and 300 here. Okay, let me call this as good X and this as good Y. All right, so you have 600X plus 300Y is equals to 3600, which implies I can divide this entire thing by 300. I get 2x plus y is equals to, when I divide this by 300, I get what, 12? I get 12, right? Yeah, 12. Okay, so x max is equals to 6 and y max is equals to 12. So he can either do a maximum of 6 advertisements in the business magazine or 12 advertisements in the consumer publication. Okay, 6 ads in business magazine translates into 6 times this thing. So that's 1800 lawyers and 6000 MBAs, and 12 ads here translates into 12 times this thing. So that's 4000 lawyers and 300 into 12 is 3600 MBAs. Okay. All right. So let's draw a line. Let's draw the Cartesian plane. Okay. Now the maximum amount, okay, suppose he buys just ads in the business magazine. Suppose he goes only for ads in the business magazines. Then what will happen is, suppose this is the amount of lawyers that he can buy. Recent MBAs and lawyers. So MBAs on the x axis, lawyers on the y axis. So I am going to look at this as your MBA numbers and these are your lawyer numbers. So if he goes by MBA numbers, if he advertises only in the business magazine, he can get 6000 MBAs. Along with 6000 MBAs, he'll get 1800 lawyers. Okay, so he'll get 1800 lawyers. So this is the point where he advertises in the business magazine only. Okay, another point is where he advertises in the consumer publication only. Consumer publication only. So if he advertises in the consumer publication only, he gets 3600 MBAs. So that's roughly half here, and he gets 4000 lawyers. So that's roughly double. So this will be the point of consumer publication only. Okay, now he can choose any point between these two things. That's the idea. So he can choose कि advertise इस point पे नहीं करना है. So he can, so this is point of consumer publication only. He can drop 2 ads in consumer publication and gain 1 ad in the business magazine. Okay, when he does that, he'll arrive at a point like here. This will be 10 consumer publication ads and 1 business magazine ad. Okay, similarly he can go like this till here, where he advertises only in the business magazine. So the set of points which of lawyers and MBAs which he can reach will be these different sets of points, and these would all be connecting these 2 points, 18,600 and 4,3600. Okay, so the answer is going to be 18,600 and 3,000. Oh, sorry, 12 times 250 is 3,000. Sorry, my bad. 12 times 250 is 3,000. So it should be 3,000 here. Okay, so 3,000, 3,600 and 1,800, 6,000. So that's your answer A.